In this video, I'm going to compare Doodlemaker versus Doodly. Which one is the best for whiteboard animation? Which whiteboard animation software is the best for you? Of course, depending on your situation, but I'm going to compare these platforms. So let's start with Doodlemaker. So I'm going to compare the pricing, the features, and everything like that in a very short video. So if we just start with Doodly, you can see that this website looks great. It's really good, and they straight away say they show what they do. So this is what you can create, and I really like the simplicity of Doodly. So Doodly is an easy to use website. It's straight to the point, no complicated stuff. It's just easy to use, and they're mainly targeted for beginners to create professional videos without a lot of knowledge. So we can go down, use Doodly to draw all kinds of really cool whiteboard animations to entertain, engage, and affect your viewers in a positive way. And I really think they do that in a good way. As you can see, look how sick this website is. It's so cool. And this is basically how their this is what their software represents. I really think that this is a very good software to use, especially if you're a beginner. You can view everything in here. We can see some features, so we can go to the features here. Professional doodles. You even have trainings for free. You can always ask them because their customer service is good. If you compare it to Doodlemaker, I think Doodly customer service is slightly better because they have live chat and their support is just better than Doodlemaker. However, you're probably not going to watch this video to see what the best customer service is, but what the best whiteboard animation software is. If we just go to features here, you can see they have an AI photo background remover, which is really good. And I think they're really outstanding in this of their features. I think Doodlemaker is slightly more complicated, a little bit more complex, but still, as you can see in this demo video, you can create it just like Doodly. So if you just want to go for the simplest thing out there, you're not really tech savvy, you're just a beginner, then I would recommend you Doodly. However, if you think Doodlemaker is better, you're not going to make a mistake choosing it because it's still really good. It also for speech, text to speech is really good. Text to speech, 60 languages. Here, one-click language translation. And with all the features combined, if you want the most features possible, then definitely go for Doodlemaker because it has in general or overall more features. If we compare the pricing, we can go to get instant access. You can see it's fully compatible with macOS, Windows, same for Doodly here. If we hit get instant access, you can see the pricing, $50. This is just a fixed price. It costs $50, includes everything right here, everything. So if we compare that to Doodly, we go to pricing, you can see if it is loading. There we go. It has two plans and not only one, but here you have to pay monthly or annual. And we compare that here, it's just a fixed price. So yeah, you can see it's not a monthly price. And that's the cool thing about Doodlemaker. Overall, it will be cheaper than Doodly because here you have to pay every month. And here it's just a fixed price. So if you want to go for the cheapest possible way out there, Doodlemaker is better. If you want to go for, I think a better working platform for beginners, better help, better customer support, basically everything on Doodly is a little bit easier to use and in my opinion slightly better than Doodlemaker, but you always have to pay for that because it's way more expensive. So my advice would be, if you want to go for a monthly plan, go for Doodly. If you want to go for the cheapest plan out there, go for Doodlemaker. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. Please subscribe and see you next time. Have a good day.